Peggy. I'm from E Frigo, Malaysia, Sdn Bhd, and our business is on commercial refrigeration contracting.
So Peggy, what makes you engage InTune as your finance outsourcing?
Okay, most of all is because we do not have in-house accounting, and previously I find that the yearly accounting servicing that we engaged was not good enough.
So having worked with InTune since 2018, what is your experience working with us?
So far so good. The communication is very easy. I can always send WhatsApp messages to them and get a reply from them. And also because of the cloud accounting system, it's very convenient for us to check whatever we need.
Okay, finally, what are the benefits that you have gotten having worked with InTune for the last 1 year plus?
I could say that because of the professional team in InTune, we can always get advice from them. Whatever that we don't understand, we can always ask Lily and her team. So it's very, I appreciate the advice from them. And also, what else? What's the question again?
What are the benefits that you get?
So besides the advice, we also understand our business better because we can always look at the account like more frequently compared to the past.
Thank you.